This is a brief demo on how to use the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, how to find wage data and unemployment rates. So we're, of course, going to start at the Bureau of Labor Statistics homepage, which is just bls.gov. And this is provided, it's a service from the United States Department of Labor. And they are a federal agency responsible for measuring labor market activity, other working conditions, other things related to the economy and working in the United States. And you can see a lot of that information here on the home page. So if you scroll down on the right, you'll get some big numbers, some of this national stuff right away, like national unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, things like that, okay? And you can see that there's different ways to get into a lot of the data. There's some a monthly labor review, spotlighting statistics, etc., okay? You can also get into some of this information by doing a search, so you might have luck with that, but I find it a little bit difficult to navigate that way. I usually have the most success going in through this subject section here. And so you can see right away that if you needed to get state and local unemployment rates, you could get them here. So we can do that. We can click on that. And you can see on the right all of the states. So we could look at, say, California. We could click on this to get the historic data, and we would quickly get access to the current and historic unemployment rates for a state. So we might also want to find some wage data, wage by occupation, and we can find that as well. So of course, that's not going to be unemployment, it's not going to be inflation, it's going to be in this pay and benefits, right? Wages and pay. So you can see there are unemployment costs, and we're going to go to this wages by area and occupation here. So you can see right away they have national wage data by state, wage data by metropolitan area as well, okay? So you can look at a specific city and see how much people in certain jobs are getting paid. So if we look at the national wage data, click on here, you can see there are these different major occupational groups. We can look at management occupations. We can see up here that advertising and promotion managers, you can see what they're making here, mean hourly wage, annual mean wage, okay? So that's advertising and promotion managers nationally. But we can also see by state, which is really great. So if we click back a bit, here's the United States, go back again, and we can get to this wage data by state. So we can click on that, and then we can pick a state. So we can stick with California here, and go again to management occupations. You can also just search this like as a control find, control F, and you'll get a specific occupation if you want. So here, advertising and promotion managers, we got the same thing here, and we can see that the California wage is very similar to the national average. And so in some states, of course, we would find quite a different number, I'm sure. Okay, so hopefully that is that helps you find some of this data and helps you navigate the Bureau of Labor Statistics. It has a lot of other things to offer as well, but that's a quick introduction.